How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix bad sound quality on your Bluetooth headphones. So I'm going to use the HyperX Cloud 3 as an example. Basically, when connecting your Bluetooth headphones, you want to make sure that you are using the dongle that came in with the actual headphones, because if you're using the Bluetooth connectivity, it will basically hinder the connection between the device and your headphones. You also want to make sure that you plugged it onto the blue USB socket or port, which is going to be colored by blue. And from there, you want to head over to the sound control panel, scroll down, click the more sound setting. Go ahead and locate your speaker or your headphones. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Navigate through advanced and make sure that you go ahead and select the studio quality, not the CD, DVD. So select one of the highest if you can. Make sure to disable the audio enhancement, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.